I never once said do not learn the tools. I never said that in the video. What I said was stop listening to learn Excel, SQL, and Power BI because that's hurting your chances with the recruiters. And the reason why I said that is because if you're actively on the job market looking for a data analyst role, the current climate that we're in requires you to do more. That advice is no longer enough. You can't just stick to learning Excel, SQL, and Power BI. You're competing against people that are actually getting these jobs. And the ones getting these roles are no longer learning only. They're going a step further and they're proving and showing the recruiters what they've learned. That's what they're doing. They learn a little and then they apply it. And then they format it in a project and then publish it in places that are easily accessible to recruiters. That's why I said you should stop listening, because listening is passive, but creating projects is active. And that's where you want to be if you actually want to compete. If you're just learning Excel, SQL, and Power BI, you're not even in the competition. You're not competing against those who are actually getting these jobs. But if you're actually creating the portfolios that recruiters actually want to see and you're pushing them right in front of their eyeballs, then you stand a chance of actually getting a role. And I know this because this is what has happened to me. And this is what happens to members in my data community. These are things we're talking out of experience, not what we've read, not what we've watched on YouTube, but things that have happened to us. And I'm not saying this to boast. I'm just trying to let you know that this has been tried and tested. So if you want if you want to increase your chances of getting a data role, then you have to create portfolio projects that are high quality, that are well documented, and you can push right in front of the recruiters. So that means going to the platforms like GitHub, LinkedIn, and even Kaggle, and making sure that they can easily access your projects.